Hello everyone and welcome to English. Our lesson today is 1E, Speak and Write, Part 2. Today we have one objective. Write 2 paragraphs about one's best friend. Now, could you please open the student book and turn to page 19 and open the workbook and turn to page 19 and 20. Let's move to exercise D. The following paragraph has some mistakes, which are marked using the correction code below. Read the paragraph and correct the mistakes. Now, before we correct the mistakes, we need to explain these codes. This is the correction code table. Now, let's check the meaning of every code. WW. It stands for wrong word. It means you have to choose a different word. 2. WO. Word order. It means you have to put the words in the correct order. 3. PR. It stands for preposition. It means you have to change the preposition and use the correct one. How about T? It stands for tense. It means you have to change the form of the verb into the correct tense. Now, number 5. P. It stands for punctuation. It means you have to choose a different punctuation mark, like a comma or a full stop. Number 6. A. It stands for article, like the, a, or an. So you have to choose the correct one. Now, number 7. SP. It stands for spelling. It means that the spelling of the word is wrong and you have to correct it. Now, the last one, which is this small sign, which looks like an arrow pointing up, it means that there is something missing. There is a word or a term which is missing, and you have to figure out what it is and then add it to the sentence. Let's start correcting the mistakes. But remember, you can pause the video, complete the task, then come back and check your answers. Go ahead. Welcome back. Let's start with the first sentence. My best friend's name, Fred. What's the correct answer? That's perfect. This code means there is a word which is missing here. And the correct answer is Fred, because my best friend's name is the subject and Fred is an object and the missing word is the verb. That's perfect. Let's move to the next mistake. He is 14. What is the correct answer? That's correct. SP stands for spelling. So there is a spelling mistake and the correct spelling is 14. That's correct. Let's move to the next mistake. We are going in the same school. We have 2 mistakes. What is the correct answer? That's perfect. The correct answer is T stands for tense. So there is a mistake in the tense. And PR is a preposition. Also, there is a mistake in the preposition. And the correct answer is go to. This is a frequent action that happens almost every day. That's why we used the simple present tense, go, instead of using the present continuous are going. And go is followed by the preposition to, not in. That's perfect. Let's move to the next sentence. Fred is the good-looking boy. We have 2 mistakes here, A and B. What's the correct answer? That's perfect. A stands for an article, so the article is wrong. And the correct answer is A, because this is a non-definite situation. That's why we use the article A. While P, it's punctuation. And the correct answer is full stop. Every sentence in English ends with a full stop. That's perfect. Let's move to the next mistakes or the next sentence. He is tall and slim and he's got dark short hair and brown dark eyes. Here we have the same mistake twice. WO. What is the correct answer? That's perfect. WO means wrong order. So let's put these words in the correct order. Short, dark. Usually, the size comes before the physical quality. This is adjective orders. And also, dark brown. So the physical quality comes before the color. That's perfect. Let's move to the next mistake. Fred is funny and clever too. In our free time, we are usually going at the park. So, what is the correct answer? That's correct. P, it's punctuation. And the correct answer is comma. In our free time, then it is a comma, not a full stop, because the sentence did not finish. And we are usually going. This is a mistake in the tense. And the correct answer is we usually go. And this is a habitual action. And we use the simple present tense. And we don't use the present continuous. And also, PR, it's a preposition. Like we said before, go is followed by the preposition to. That's perfect. Let's move to the next mistake. And we sometimes play basketball. What is the correct answer? That's perfect. SP means it's a spelling mistake. And the correct spelling is basketball. That's perfect. Now, how about or do skateboarding? What is the correct answer? That's perfect. WW means it's the wrong word. And usually, we use go skateboarding, not do skateboarding. And this is the correct answer. That's perfect. Let's move to the next mistake. We also see TV programs together twice a week. We have two mistakes. What is the correct answer? That's perfect. WW, it means it's the wrong word. And the correct word is watch. We watch TV programs. We don't see TV programs. And A, what is the correct answer? That's perfect. A means an article. So the article is wrong. So we watch it twice a week. We don't watch it twice a week because this is a non-definite situation. That's perfect. Now let's move to the last mistake in the last sentence. We enjoy watching wildlife documentaries, game shows. What's the correct answer? That's perfect. There is a missing word here. And the correct answer is and. It's a connecting word which connects two things, two nouns. That's perfect. Well done, everyone. Well done. Let's move to exercise E. Write 2 paragraphs about your best friend. Use the information in activity B and read the plan below. Go to the workbook page 19. Now, to complete a writing task, we have 3 steps. Step number 1, take notes. Step number 2, take the notes and make a plan. Step number 3, use the plan to complete the writing task. Now let's start with the first step, taking notes. Now we have notes for 2 paragraphs. Let's start with paragraph 1. We have 2 points. 1. Say who your best friend is and how old he or she is. Now, a second point, write about his or her appearance, like hair, eyes, etc. While in paragraph 2, we have 3 points. For example, 1. Write about his or her personality. 2. Write about what you do together. 3. Write what he or she is doing these days. Now, let's take the notes and use it to complete the writing plan. But first, remember, go to workbook page 19. Now, let's start with paragraph 1. We have 3 points. Your best friend's name, his age, and his appearance. For example, the name we can use Ahmed or Fatima. How about the age? He or she is 14 years old. Now, how about the appearance? We have many points. We can say, for example, he or she is tall and slim. Also, he or she has got short dark hair and blue eyes. Paragraph 2, we have also 3 points. Personality, activities that you do together, what do you do together, and finally, what are you doing these days? Let's have some examples. About personality, we can say he or she is very friendly and outgoing. But about what do you like to do together? For example, we study together. We hang out at the park. We play computer games. Also, we make model planes or trains. Now, how about the activities that you are doing these days? For example, we are making a model plane. Now, this is the final step to complete the writing task. We take the plan and use it to complete the task. And this is the model answer about how to do that. And remember, when you use the sentences, remember to use the connecting words to make a paragraph. Paragraph 1. My best friend's name is Ahmed. We live in the same neighborhood and we go to the same school. He is 14, like me. He's tall and slim, and he's got short dark hair and blue eyes. Now, paragraph 2. Ahmed is very friendly and outgoing. We usually study together at the weekend. And we hang out at the park in our neighborhood. In our free time, we play computer games or we watch our favorite series. But our favorite activity is making model planes or trains. We spend hours making them. These days, we are making a model plane. It's great. Now, use the plan and the model answer to write your own description of a person. You are free to choose a brother, a father, or a dear friend you have. This is the end of our lesson. Thank you for watching. See you next time.